Typing jobs around the world with just your phone or even your laptop? Is it even worth it? Is it even legit? And can you earn a lot of money doing it? Well, in today's video, I am going to show you a simple strategy that only uses your phone and laptop. You will just type in a bunch of words, save it, and submit it. As easy as that. And you will then earn $13 to $25 every minute over and over again and from anywhere around the world. You don't need any writing skills because copy and paste is available here. And for those people who are too tired to type on your own, I am going to show you a bonus website that will pay you much more. The best part is, signing up to this website is 100% free. But remember, every part of this video is critical to you earning a lot of money. So follow along until the very end of this video in order to not miss any critical steps. So if you're ready and excited to learn this strategy, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey everyone! Welcome! For today's video, I will be showing you a step-by-step process that is very critical in this method. So stick with me. First, I would like everyone to know that we would need our mobile phones, laptops, or even our desktop for this strategy, so keep them ready. And don't worry guys, this method works for both iOS and Android. Amazing, right? Now that we have that settled, I want you to go to this website right here called typingtest.com. This is not actually the website that will pay us, but we will just complete a 60-second typing test. But remember, follow everything that I will show you guys so that you will not make any mistakes. So what you do is, click on typing test right here, wherein it says, check your typing skills in 60 seconds, type away to join 150 plus million test takers. When we go over here, you can then choose how long you want your typing test to be. You can choose from 1, 2, 3, 5, or even 10 minutes of test duration. Then right over here, you can then choose what type of typing test you want to take. We have here easy, medium, hard, benchmark, tricky, blind, story typing, themed, or professional. We will now choose 1 minute duration and easy typing. Then click on Start Test right here, and you will be redirected to this page, and the text that you will type will be shown right here. You can then immediately start typing just below the text that you are supposed to type, and on the upper left you will see the timer will start to tick as shown right here. You will also see that there are two modes, which are normal and pro mode, but considering this is just an example, we are going to use the normal mode. As soon as you start typing, the timer, as I said, will now tick, and you now have to type as many words as you can or finish the whole text. Let me show you how it's done. After that, go over to typing courses right here, and you will then be redirected to this page right here. We can see here that they offer free lessons and training so that you can improve your skills in typing. But you may be wondering, why are we even doing this? Well, you will actually need this for all the websites that I am going to show you today. Because in this strategy, typing is your means of earning a stable income. So these typing tests are very important. And take note that all these lessons can be taken for free. So you can check them out to improve your typing skills in the future. With that said, let's get to know what this website is. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. The first website that will be paying us today is called Rev.com, which when you open up, you will see this page right here. We can see here that transcription is the way to get paid around here. You will earn $1.25 per minute, wherein you will be required to convert audios or even videos to text form. Then they also have captions, which pays you $1.25 per minute, wherein you will be assigned to caption different videos. And lastly, we have foreign subtitles, which will pay you around $3 to $7 per minute, wherein you will be translating different videos with foreign subtitles. It pays a lot more compared to the other one, as this is a much harder task. And if you scroll down over here, you can see a lot of necessary information that will be very useful for you. After, scroll down to the very bottom of the website and find the Become a Freelancer. You will then be redirected to this page, and we can see right here that you can create a flexible work schedule you can choose from hundreds of jobs and you get paid quicker. Then, you are just going to fill up the sign up form, and of course, don't forget to choose the position that you're applying for so that they can view you based on the position that you want to apply for. After completing that, go ahead and click next and then get started immediately. Just as easy as that. Imagine earning $1.25 per minute. So usually, the videos you are going to transcribe are around 3 to 4 minutes. So if you multiply it by 4, you will already make $5 for only one video. And if you can transcribe at least 5 videos a day, that's $25 a day. And you can do this as much as you want and earn as much as you can in the process. Amazing, right? So for the next website, this is how it's going to look like. When you go on the page, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that they do data annotation, transcription, translation, and a lot more. If you scroll down some more, you will see more information about the website and its services as well as their different offers. And the best part is, signing up is pretty easy. No matter what part of the world you are from, you may be able to apply and earn money. Amazing, right? The name of this website is actually transcribeme.com. After, we will click on jobs over here, and this is what you will see. You are then going to need to sign up and fill up your personal information right here. You will then see here that you will need to choose your transcription language, which is basically choosing the language you will be transcribing in. And then, once you're all done filling everything up, just click Create Profile and then that's it. Amazing, right? As I said earlier, for both these jobs, you will have to submit your own typing test results as they will have to confirm that you passed their own standard for their website. So just remember all the steps I taught you earlier, and you will get the highest scores and easily be accepted on any of these websites. And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below, as it helps the channel grow a lot. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos.
Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online. Bye!